Good afternoon, everyone. This is Derek with Detailing World, and we have a bit of a what would you do scenario. So we have this lovely Tesla Model Y with a little bit of throw up inside of it. So I know this is one of the funnest jobs as a detailer that you get to do. You know, I like to tell the guys at the classes that we're detailers, we usually get called when there's a mess, something disgusting. We don't get called when the car is nice and clean. So in this particular case, the customer has thrown up all over the center console and down inside of here. I'm not going to show you that because it's pretty nasty. So I want to know, what would you do? How would you handle this? And how much would you charge? I know me as a detailer, I like to tell the customer, I need you to clean up the chunks. So the major food bits, they need to clean up themselves, because I don't want to be cleaning up someone's lunch, but I will come and get all the residue stuff. Some detailers charge a lot. They have a really high price. They'll have a hazmat fee. Some people don't even want to mess with this. So I want to know, what would you do? How much would you charge? And how would you tackle this? I know a lot of people look to this Terminator, which is an enzyme pre-treat, but is it safe to use on plastic and this leather? So let us know in the comments down below.